fun part. You can ask your little ones to help you with your scrap pieces of paper, any kind of paper that you have lying around that is to be recycled. Ball it up. If you have colorful pieces of paper that you're recycling, that would be great as well too. But once you ball it up, here comes the game. You put it inside your box, and then you try to roll it out. There you go. And to make it even more challenging, you can make the balls, the rolled up pieces of balls, you can ball it up larger. See, if you roll it really fast, it won't actually go inside the hole, so you'll need to be more gentle with it, right? There you are.